Southern Ontario remains under snow squall warnings as intense winter weather is expected to continue, with some communities near Lake Huron, such as Kincardine, Hanover, Saucon Shores, southern Bruce County, Dundalk, and southern Grey County, will bear the brunt of the lake effect snow.
Nobody knows.
Some areas bracing for up to 60 centimeters of snowfall by Saturday evening. Environment Canada predicts the heaviest snowfalls to occur overnight as stationary squall bands form, potentially leading to rapid weather changes and hazardous travel conditions. Snow squalls can cause sudden transitions from clear skies to heavy snow over short distances, warns Environment Canada. Reduced visibility and road closures are likely. To nearly 60 centimeters. Meanwhile, much of southwestern Ontario is under a snow squall watch, with accumulations of 20 to 35 centimeters expected by Saturday evening. These warnings follow a winter blast that blanketed areas north and west of Toronto with significant snowfall on Thursday, pushing totals in some places to other regions, including Barrie, Collingwood, Midland, Northern York Region, Newmarket, and Northern Durham Region, remain under advisories, though snowfall there is forecast to total between 5 and 10 centimeters. Whiteout conditions on highways prompted multiple collisions, though no injuries were reported, according to the OPD. Toronto itself escaped the brunt of the storm, experiencing only light flurries. While a 70% chance of flurries continues into the weekend, no weather advisories are in effect for the city. Friday's forecast includes a high of 1 degree Celsius and a low of -6 degrees Celsius, with a mix of sun and clouds. London and nearby regions are under a snow squall warning, with eastern Middlesex County and Park Hill expected to receive between 20 and 35 centimeters of snow by Saturday evening. In Huron, Perth, Goderich, and Stratford, similar accumulations are forecast. Further north, areas like Bruce and northern Huron counties, including Wingham, Kincardine, and Saugun shores, could see totals exceeding 60 centimeters, alongside wind gusts up to 60 kilometers/8. Environment Canada underscores the unpredictable nature of snow squalls, which can create dangerous driving conditions, including sudden whiteouts, slippery roads, and potential closures, particularly in rural areas. Travelers are advised to exercise caution and monitor updates.
And this seems to be getting worse today. All in just a few minutes. Horrible.